What's up, fellows? In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you 2 ways in which you can make money on YouTube by running a faceless channel. Make sure that you watch till the end because I'll share with you an AI tool that you can use to generate faceless videos for your YouTube channel and how you can monetize your YouTube channel through ads and affiliate marketing. So let's dive into my video so that I can share with you how. This channel has 77 videos and currently it has gained 44,000 subscribers, and as you can see, this is a faceless YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can easily start such a channel. Let's now check how much this channel is making on YouTube ads. As you can see, they make between 62 to 991 US dollars. Mostly the average is around the top mark, that is 991 US dollars, and also the average daily income is between $2 to 33 US dollars. So mostly it's around $30. So another way in which they make money is through affiliate marketing. So for example, they are promoting this billionaire brainwave in their account. So by every sale, they make 36 US dollars. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can create such videos using Gemini and also InVideo AI for free. So for you to create an account with InVideo AI, you can check out the link in description. So for you to create such videos, you can go to Digital24 website, click on the sales page of the billionaire brainwave. Then on this page, you can read through the billionaire brainwave, understand what it is all about, and then come to Gemini and then ask it to create a YouTube script that you will turn it into video by using InVideo AI. Then the next thing is to go to InVideo AI. You can check out the link in description and then start generating such videos by only entering the prompt. Enter the prompt, give a topic, and then click generate video, and it will generate a faceless YouTube video. So this is the video that InVideo AI has generated, which is the same as what this YouTube channel is currently doing. So the first step is to find a niche and then create an account with InVideo AI for free through the link in description. Then go to Gemini, generate your scripts, and then generate your videos with InVideo. So in case you have learned something, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more information.